Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Last month I pre-ordered something and it finally arrived, and I thought I'd share it with you. And this is what I ordered. Cherry Thing-a-lings from Schmidt Bakery. I've never had them before, but I hear about them every year, and they're quite a big deal supposedly. So I thought I'd share them with you and give you my review. On the side of the box they have a brief history of the Cherry Thing-a-ling, and essentially it's a fritter type donut with cherries in it. And it was developed in the early 70s by their founder Clem Schmidt and has become an annual event. Originally, Schmidt began making them only on the Sunday before President's Day, but due to popular demand, they've had to add more days. Now they're making them every day for 5 days. The Cherry Thing-a-ling sells out every year. People come from miles around, even out of state, and wait in line for hours trying to get some. And to give you an idea how popular they are, in 2015, they sold over 46,000 of these, and last year they sold almost 250,000. But because I pre-ordered, I didn't have to do any of that. Well, I've never had one, so let's open the box and see what they look like. So here they are, the Cherry Thing-a-lings. They smell great. I can smell the cherry instantly as soon as I opened up the box. They look a little different than I'd imagined, but I'm looking forward to trying them out. So let's do a taste test. So here it is. The Cherry Thing-a-ling. Let's see how it tastes. That's excellent. Lives up to the hype. Not too much cherry flavor, not too little. It's perfect. I think it would be really good if you heat it up in the microwave a little bit. But I can see why people wait in line for these. And maybe you will too. And if not this year, maybe next. And I'll have a link to Schmidt Bakery in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. So until next time, this is Cashew signing off.